Welcome back, friends. Previously in this chapter we solved some extra example related to area and perimeter of a square and rectangle. Today we will continue with some extra example. So some of the example can be asked for MCQ. So first example, what will happen to the area of a rectangle if its length is double and breadth is triple? This kind of example can be asked for MCQ. If we double the length and breadth is triple, means 3 times breadth. So what will be change in area of a rectangle happen? So what is the equation for area of a rectangle? That is L multiplied B. Equation is what? Length and breadth. But if we perform the length is double, means 2 times length and breadth is 3 times. So length is double and breadth is triple. So area L multiplied B. Length is double means 12 and breadth is 3 times means 3B. So 2 3s are 6. L multiplied B. L multiplied B is what? It is the area of a rectangle. So 6 times area of rectangle. Means what is the answer? If we perform the double the length and 3 times breadth, the area will be 6 times the area of a rectangle. Okay, the area will be 6 times. Now next, its length and breadth are double. So again we can write length is 2 times and breadth is also double, means 2 times. So area of a rectangle, that is what? L multiplied B. But if we perform double, so L will be 2L and B will be 2B. 2 2s are 4. L multiplied B. So L multiplied B is what? Area of a rectangle. So if we double length and breadth, area will be 4 times area of a rectangle with length L and clear. Now next, what will happen to the area of a square if its side is double? Now we need to find it for an area of a square when its side is double. So what is the equation for an area of a square? Is equal to side multiply side. If we double side, that is 2 times side. So area will be what? Side multiply side, that is original equation, but if 2 times it is 2 side multiply 2 times, that is 4 times side multiply side. Now what is side multiply side? It is area of a square. So if we double side of a square, then area will be 4 times area of a square. Okay, in MCQ you have an answer like it will be 4 times, it will be 6 times, it will be 3 times. So after this calculation you can find the answer that it will be 4 times or it will be 6 times. Now next, half. If we perform the side, that is half of the given side. So side of a square is half. Then area of a square will be what? Equation is side multiply side. But if we perform half of the side, so side divided 2, that is half of side, side divided 2 multiply 2, that is 1 by 4, side multiply side. So what will be the answer? It is 1/4 of the area of a square if we take the half of side. So this kind of example will ask in MCQ. Now next, a marble tile measures 25 cm by 20 cm. How many tiles will require to cover wall of a side 4 meter by 3 meter? Now this is a new kind of example. So there is one wall. Let's consider this is a wall which measurements is 4 meter and 3 meter, and we need to place tiles of 25 cm and 20 cm. It is kind of flooring. So okay, if you see your room, then there are tiles placed on the floor. So we need to find first how many tiles. To find how many tiles, first of all we need to find area of a room, then area of one tile. Okay, we will find area of a room, then area of one tiles, but both unit must be same. But here in the question you can see this one is in a meter and tiles measurements are in a centimeter. So we need to perform the conversion also. Then how can we find the number of tiles? Number of tiles will be area of a room divide area of one tiles. Clear? So let's consider one example here. One box is there. Okay. In that we need to place some biscuit of a length 2 meter. Whole length of box is let's say 12 centimeter. Okay. Whole length is 12 centimeter. One biscuit length is 2 centimeter. So how many biscuit will place in a box? So 2 centimeter, 2 centimeter, 2 centimeter, 2 centimeter, 2 centimeter, 2 centimeter. So total 6 biscuit we can place in a box. So same, we need to find the number of tiles by finding the area of a room divide area of one tile. So let's find. First we convert this meter into centimeters. So length of wall, that is 4 meter, is equal to 400 centimeter, and breadth of wall, that is 3 meter, is equal to 300 centimeter. Now area of wall, that is L multiplied B. So 400 multiplied 300 centimeter square. Area of tile L multiplied B. So measurements for a tile is 25 multiplied 20. So it is 5500 centimeter square. So number of tiles will be area of wall divide area of tile. So that is 1, 2, 0, 0, 0, 0 and 5. So these 240 tiles can be placed on a wall. Clear? Now next one. One side of a square plot is 300 meter. Find its area. Side is given 300 meter and we need to find area. So it will be easy. Area of a square plot, that is side multiply side. So 300 multiply 300, that is 90,000 meter square, or you can write square. Also find the cost of labeling it at the rate of ₹50 per meter. It means cost for 1 meter square. 1 square meter is 0.50 rupees. We have 90,000 meter square. This cost is for 1 meter square. How many meters square we have? 90,000. So we multiply 90,000 with 0.50 to get cost for a leveling. So let's find. So cost of leveling. For 1 meter square is 0.50 rupees. What is the statement? It is cost is 0.50 rupees per meter square. So cost of leveling 90,000 meters square is multiplied cross multiplication 90,000 is multiplied 0.50. Now 0.50 that is in a decimal, so convert it into fractions. So 50 divide 100 2, so it is 45,000 rupees. Clear? 90,000 divided by 2, that is 45,000. Now next, the floor of a rectangular hall is to be covered with carpet 150 centimeter wide. Width of carpet is given. centimeter. If the length and breadth of the hall is 20 meter and 18 meter respectively, find the cost of carpet at the rate of 10 rupees per meter. Now this cost, if you went to the market and find the cost for any cloth, that it will be given for a length. But here in a question width is given. So first of all we need to find length of the carpet. Cost of carpet is given, that is 10 rupees per meter. But this 10 rupees per meter means it is a cost of a length for a carpet. Clear? If you went to the market and buy some cloth, then shopkeeper measure the length of that cloth and then he find the money to pay. So for that you need to find the length of carpet. Now carpet is placed on the floor and hall are 20 meter width and 18 meter. Length and breadth are 20 meter and 18 meter. So let's find length of hall, that is 20 meter. Breadth of hall is equal to 18 meter. Now carpet is placed on a hall, floor of the hall means area of carpet will be equal to area of the hall. So we can write area of carpet, that will be area of hall. But you can see this measurement is in a centimeter, this is in a meter and this is in a meter. So convert this into meter. So it is 150 by 100 meter. It is 1.5 meter. This is what? Width of carpet. Area of carpet will be area of hall, because whatever the area of a hall will be there, that is equal to the area of a carpet, because carpet is on a floor. So we can write length of carpet multiply breadth of carpet is equal to length of hall multiply breadth of area of hall is length and breadth, area of carpet is length and breadth. Now write the values. Length, that is not given. Breadth is given 1.5 meter. Length of hall is 20, breadth of hall is 80. Now take 1.5 and divide to find length of carpet. Multiply 18 divide 1.5. So now let's solve this. 20, 18, 10. Now 1.5 is 15 divide 10. So denominator will be in a numerator. So this will be 15 by 10. So this 10 will be in a multiplication with numerator. So 20 multiply 18 multiply 10. 240 meters. That is what length of the carpet. Now cost is 10 rupees per meter. This is what length of carpet. Cost for 1 meter is 10 rupees. So cost of 1 meter is 10 rupees. We have 240 meter. How much? So cross multiply 240 with 10. So it is 2,400 rupees. That is the cost of cut. Now next example. The total cost of flooring a room at rupees 8.50 per meter. So in a statement, cost of flooring for 1 meter square, 1 meter is given 8.50 rupees. If cost 8.50 rupees per meter is rupees 510. Now this statement means that is for 1 meter square cost is 8.50 rupees. For 1 meter square cost is 8.50 rupees and total cost is 510. So what is the area of that floor? If the length of the room is 8 meter, find its breadth. So first of all we need to find the area of a room from this statement, that is cost for 1 meter square is 8.50. So what will be the area of a room for rupees 510? Rupees 8.50 for 1 meter square. So rupees 500 total cost. This is for 1 meter square. For how much? Area. So area of room, that is 510 divided 8.50. Now 8.50 can be written as 850 by 100. So 510 divided 100 will be in a multiplication. So if we perform the division, you will get 60 meters. Area of the room will be 60 meters. Now length is given 8 meter. 8 meter. What we need to find? Breadth we need to find. And area we find, that is 60 meter. So we can write area of room, that is L multiply B. Area is 60, length is 8, B we need to find. So that is 4, 3, 5. So 15 by 2, that is 7.5. That will be right. Clear? From the cost for 1 meter and cost of the total area, we will find the area that will be covered. So we find area 60 meters square, and from area and length we will find breadth. Now next one. Find the perimeter of a rectangle whose length is 4 times its width and which has area equal to 30,976 meters square. So what information is given? Perimeter we need to find. Length is 4 times breadth. So you can write L is equal to 4B. And area is given 30,976 centimeters. So first we will find from area, we will find the length and breadth. Area is equal to L into B. So this one is 30,976 given. Length is what? 4 times B. Now take 4 in a divide. So it is 30,976 divided 4 is equal to B multiply B is B square. Side multiply side is side square. That's why B multiply B is what? B square. Now perform the division, you will get 7, 7, 4, 4, that is B square. 7, 7, 4 square, 4, 4, that is what? 88 multiply 88. If you find the factor of this, you already learned prime factorization method. So find the factor for 7744 like this. and you will get that is it is 88 multiplied 88. So that is what b square. So 88 square is equal to b square. B multiplied b is b square. That's why 88 multiplied 88 is 88 square. So we can write b is equal to 88 centimeter. So we will have value of breadth that is 88 centimeter. Now what is the length? 4 times b, so 4 multiplied 88, that is 350 centimeter. Now we have value of length and value of breadth, that's why perimeter is 2 inside the bracket L plus b, length is 352, that is 88. So it is 880 centimeter. So that is a perimeter. How can we solve this? Again, perimeter that we need to find. Length is given 4 times breadth, so L is equal to 4b. Area is given 30,976. But to find perimeter, we need two value, length and breadth. So from area, first we will find length and breadth. Equation for area is L multiplied b. L is 4 times b and b as it is. So it is 4 taken and divide. B multiplied b is 4 square. B square. Now divide this, you will get 7,744 is equal to b square. But 7,744 is what? 88 multiplied 88. How can we find this 88 multiplied 88? Find the prime factors for this. So you will get answer that is it is 88 multiplied 88. That is b square. 88 square is equal to b square, that's why b is equal to 88. But length is 4 times b, so length is 352. Now use